everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I am going to take you through my monthly shopping, which is basically the grocery shopping, which is the basic necessities of the month. So today we are shopping at this Bismi Supermart and let's go in. So basically I have a list of things to buy, like some of the basics are already there. അപ്പോൾ കുറച്ച് ഇല്ലാത്ത സാധനങ്ങൾ മാത്രമാണ് ഇന്ന് മേടിക്കുന്നുള്ളൂ. Pepper powder is over. I need to get the pepper powder and cumin powder also. And paneer, it's a must. We buy it every week. And sweet corn, which is the frozen sweet corn. And this is a whipping cream, which I think I will need it this month. Now let's go to this section where broccoli I really need it. I need it every week. I'm taking it. Then some bell pepper. I don't find green. Then this is spring onion. Let's take it. Strawberries, should I take it? I'm taking button mushroom. They are forever in demand in my house. I'm taking also some yogurt and some cream cheese. I'll go for this. It's a garlic spread. I love it. And this is a fruit yogurt. A lot of veggies are there. We'll see what we can take. പിന്നെ ഇവിടെ ഒരുപാട് ഐറ്റംസ് നല്ല ഓഫർ സെയിലിൽ, അതായത് 50% ഓഫിലൊക്കെ കിടക്കുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പം ഞാനൊരു പാൻ എടുത്തു വിച്ച് വാസ് പ്രൈസ്ഡ് അറ്റ് 1600. ഐ ഗോട്ട് ഇറ്റ് ഫോർ 900 rupees. Look at those apples. They are so crunchy and juicy, isn't it? I'm taking them. And there are more options for fruits as well. I'm definitely taking fruits. I'm definitely taking this apple. പിന്നെ കിവി, അങ്ങനത്തെ കുറച്ച് ഫ്രൂട്ട്സ് ഒക്കെ നല്ല ഓഫറിൽ, ഐ തിങ്ക് ഹാഫ് ദ പ്രൈസിലാണ് ഇപ്പോൾ പോകുന്ന സെയില്. So I think it's a good time for you to check out the stores nearby and see if there's some sales happening and use the best out of it. Then taking some coriander and mint leaves. They look so fresh here, which is good. Should I get this choco pie? I'm thinking. Okay, nachos taken. I also have some salsa recipes. So then we're taking some pasta. Then let's take some healthy snacking like these sesame balls. And then just need this basic essentials like the soap and all, so we'll just take some. Plus some winter essentials like this is moisturizer. It's face, body, hands. Then sauce is actually over. We don't use it on a regular basis, just like with some chicken recipes or so. So I'm just taking this. And that's it. This is about it. We loaded it to the car that we came, and finally next to the supermarket we had this snacks bar where we were just having the tea. It was around 4:30 to 5ish, and we were just having the tea and some snacks, and we are back home right now. And I'll just quickly show you what all I got actually. And this is the grapes that we bought. It's the green seedless grapes. And then this is the pasta that we got. We use pasta a lot at home, especially for the nights. Then it's the coconut oil, and it's the washing soap powder. Then we also have some sunflower oil. We use both coconut and sunflower, so I bought one packet each. And then this is the frozen sweet corn, which is so yummy. I can share a few recipes if you are interested. Then I got this wheat bread and the butter mushroom, and this pan I got it for a really good deal. And then some EP in case of emergency. And then this nachos I got in 3 different flavors: the cheese, peri peri, and I think one more is there, yeah. And then we have cheese spread. We can use it in bread and all. This is the fruit yogurts we have. I usually get it a lot, but this time there's so many other things. Then with just the basic unflavored yogurt and some soap and some essentials. It's a Vaseline body lotion. That's for my sister. And this is the almond oil. And then this is some paneer cubes, and this is the Nivea Soft, it's the moisturizer. And then we have this pepper powder and cumin powder, which I already show, and then some milk bikis, it's the basic biscuits. Then it's the snacking things, and this is the soya chunks that I got. Maybe I can cook some chapati side dishes. Then this is the green peas, it's a dried green peas. Then it's soap and some more soap and then this is the rice I got. I always buy this kind of rice as a backup because I get bored of the Kerala rice very easily. Yeah, this is the nacho chips I was saying. I got it one salsa flavor also. I am planning to make some different recipes out of it, just instead of eating as a chip. And then the sauce. Then what we have? Yeah, that's the last. It's the Oreo biscuits, and that's it. Now let's go to the veggies. I'll show you what all I got quickly. This is the spring onion. We use it in some rice recipes. And then this is the sugar. And then what is this? Yeah, this is the broccoli, which is the favorite. It is really good in antioxidant and it has a lot of benefits. I always buy it. I have just bought 2. Then let's move on, and what else we have? And then we have the apples. Look at this. Oh god, they are picture perfect. They're really expensive as well. Then we have carrots. Okay, and then this is this is the mint leaves and the coriander leaves. They are so fresh today. Yeah, I'm so happy seeing it. And then we have what is this? Yeah, the bell pepper. They look so colorful. I bought it specially because we make salads mostly for dinners. Now we are going to wash them, sanitize them, and then only we arrange it back to the fridge or pantry. And that's it guys in today's video. I hope you enjoyed this vlog with me. If you like this video, then hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.